Car Race 5 took place on the 29th of December 2010, with the liberation point near Christiana, a distance of 344 kilometers. 2,802 pigeons were released. The weather developed from cool to fine and hot, with a light headwind at liberation. It was partly cloudy with afternoon thunderstorms along the route to Sun City.
Yeah, I'm Alan Jordan. I've been a pigeon fancier for over 30 years. Well, I wouldn't say I'm a full-time pigeon racer, but I'm a very avid pigeon racer. I've always played my sport as an amateur, but I play it seriously. And most pigeon fanciers do, because everybody likes to win. But the first thing you learn in pigeon racing is how to lose first, and once you've learned how to lose, then you learn how to win. And it's a full-time hobby. I've always seen it as a hobby. I've never seen it as making money, and it's brought me a lot of enjoyment, and my wife knows where I am every day. Well, today's a big day in the respect that it's the 5th car race. It's the main race before the Sun City race itself in 3 weeks' time. And it's really the warm-up. This is where the birds that come back now obviously all qualify for the main race. And Zandy would obviously be contacting everybody to ask if they want to buy their reserve birds. And if they choose not to buy their reserve birds, then Zandy would put them out to the open public, punters as he would call them, to sell them, so that everybody's got an interest on the big race day, irrespective whether you're a pigeon fancy or not. Today the clubs will be racing for the first 3 spots. In the first birds back today will each receive 25, 15 and 10,000 rand respectively for their clubs today. So that's an incentive as well. And besides that, there are free weekends for 2 at the Palace, Sun City Hotel and the Cascades for people that come from those clubs and have entered those birds. There's also a combination race for the cars, where if anybody enters more than 2 pigeons, if your combination birds are the first back on the day, you get another 2,000 rand as well. So in other words, a lot of people have only got the 1 bird, but maybe racing for the cars that particular day. But if you've got 2 birds in or more, your combination speed over the race will also earn you monies for those 5 races. Besides that, if you've been unlucky and haven't won the car, they take all 5 races, and the bird that performed the best on those 5 races, that will be the overall winner and will get a little bonus of 5,000 US. So even if your bird hasn't won the car, or even flown maybe in the top 20, if he's flown 21st every week, he may be the top bird and still get you 5,000 there.
Once again, the turnout for the last car race was very good, and a great day was had by all. The pigeons flew well and arrived in good time. With everyone watching and waiting, the only thing left to do was reveal the official results.
Right guys, here we've got the tail of the tape. Obviously today is a little bit tougher. There's rain all around, and as you can see from the returns of the birds, it's going to be a long day. However, the winning birds are home, and I now have the result. And I can tell you that the winner is an ex-South African by the name of Claude Rothgieser, who resides in Canada.
The winning entry for Car Race 5 was Hidden Warning of Claude Rothgieser from Canada, with a time of 5 hours, 22 minutes and 8 seconds. Here are the official results for the top 20 positions for Car Race 5.